James.
Dom dom dom.
FlightLine Spitfire. Am I right?
Yeah, that's right. The 1.6 meter version.
We
Lovely
videoed
airplane.
the maiden.
Yeah.
Have you got used to landing it now?
Yeah, I have, although it's nicer when there's a bit more of a breeze.
And there's a bit of a breeze today.
Yeah.
No excuses then.
Yeah, hopefully. Should be a nice flight. Hopefully I don't land in the top of the trees like I did on Wednesday evening.
You put your sky sword in the trees.
I did.
Why would you do something like that?
So I've got into my far out approaches and getting out.
Way out.
Way out.
Like way out from Farnborough.
Yeah, so I can get in the corner of the patch. But yeah, I overcooked it and just clipped the top of that one of those oak trees. So my mate Jeff came down with his tree surgery gear and did the thing, went up the tree and got it down.
Like a monkey and got it down, yeah?
Yeah, like a rat up a drain pipe.
All right.
So I'm getting a bit, yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I'll get it down. At least the slopes, you know, landing uphill.
Wind is straight across.
Yeah.
Come on, enough talking. Let's see some action. I want some nice low passes, some barrel rolls.
I'll try not to disappoint. I know you're secretly hoping for a crash.
Well, they do get the most views. But no, honestly, no. This is too nice. I don't want to see this crash.
Say again?
I don't want to see this crash.
No, it make me cry. Good.
Yep. We'll edit that out. No, we won't.
Yeah, absolutely. Landing. Again. Oh, no it's not.
Oh.
Should have kept the power on.
Oh, I thought you'd pulled one of the mains out.
I did. Just need a bit of glue,
Oh.
bit of cyno, and then we'll be back up.
Oh, right. Good.
Oh,
Bad luck.
stupid of me, I just should have left the power on a little bit more. I was obsessed with getting down at that side of the patch. Yeah, it's absolutely fine, I think.
Yeah, just pulled clean out.
Yeah, just clean pop.
Good.
So,
Oh, one of your cannons has come off. Oh no.
oh,
Yeah, battery's off, isn't it?
yeah. Just
All right.
interesting that's down.
Quick repair, and we
Yep.
can edit in a perfect landing.
Oh dear. Oh, no it's not.